What's up everybody, it's Peter, welcome to our channel. And today we're making video about my Amiga 500. You probably already saw I abandoned Amigas. No, Amiga still my biggest hobby, especially during the winter time. Summertime is a one wheel, I'm all into one wheel, but during winter time, when season ends of one wheel, I'm back with my retro computers. And today I'm gonna show you my new addition, my mod to this Amiga 500 Plus. I got quite few Amigas 500s, 500 Plus, but this one receiving most modifications I ever done on any Amigas, this one. And before, when I play in games, I used to use it desktop small speakers. Now I don't have the speakers, I got monitor, I got computer, keyboard, my beloved three button action controller to play, and especially Turricons. It can play with 3 buttons right there: jump, shoot, and power. Yeah, it's really awesome. But now with internal speakers, here's an up. I got really nice and clear sound coming from my Amiga 500. Like, that case, anytime when I want to bring it my beloved Amiga 500 to a friend's house or so, I don't have to carry speakers with me. Speakers already built in. Pretty much. Let me show you inside. And that case you can see how everything nice and clean. I did modification. Pretty much right there is 2 small speakers. Each speaker is 3 watts. But there's the amplifier, 6 watt for 2 channels. Here's a wheel knob. Yeah, like I said, the sound from those little 2 tiny speakers sound really nice and crisp. I like it, the way it works. Also, I just mentioned it that this Amiga has a lot of modifications. Let me show you and tell you what I got here. What I got under hood of this Amiga. Pretty much Terrible Fire 536 acceleration card with SD card as a hard drive, dual boot Kickstarter 1.3, 3.1. Also I got a memory mod for 2 MB chip RAM. It has with this configuration I got 2 MB chip RAM, and it's Amiga 500 Plus, like I said, 1 MB of slow RAM and 57 or whatever, I believe 57 MB of fast RAM. Also, I got floppy boot selector right there. Nice. In that case, I can use it my floppy drive, which I really love it to play games from floppy drive. Even this my Amiga runs, it can run a WG loader with that's exactly what it's running. But time to time, I'd like to stick it floppy disk and hear that clinking sound. That's the best way to go. Also has an internal power supply. It's 120 watt, 120 or 150 watt Pico micro power supply, which is well overkill. I know it's never going to be loaded to the point where it cannot power it. It's way overpowered, but I put it, now I can add it whatever I want to. It can power it, no problem. And like I said, 6 watt amplifier with mechanical volume knob, which I really love it. There's some options to have 2 buttons up and down, but I really like that mechanical wheel. Well, yeah, like I said, it's getting really good. I love that Amiga, and so far so good. And with each mod I done to it, it's getting better and better, guys. Well, pretty much that's all I got for this video. I hope it was interesting, enjoyable. If you guys did enjoy it, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We will be really appreciate. Thank you.